How to log in Gmail account in laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch any web browser, suppose Google Chrome. Click search bar at top of your screen and type in gmail.com and press enter on your keyboard. Then you'll land on the official interface of Gmail where you need to make sure you are logged into your existing account. Now proceed by clicking on the profile icon at top right corner. Then select Add Account button. Once you reach on this page, click on the box of email or phone and enter your new email account and click on the next button. If you do not have new email account, you can create one clicking on create account button. So let's enter the email account and then you need to click next and then enter the password of your email ID. And as you can see that we have successfully logged in or signed in into our new Gmail ID or Gmail account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.